Welcome to our programming channel. Today we are going to see jQuery stop method. The jQuery stop method is used to stop the currently running animations for the selected element. The jQuery stop method is used to stop animations or effects before it is finished. Syntax: dollar $selector dot stop all, comma, go to end, semicolon. Stop all optional boolean parameter. Default value is false, so only the current animation will be stopped. Rest of the animations in the queue will run afterwards, but when set to true, it will clear the animation queue, the current, and all the queued animations will be stopped immediately. Go to end optional boolean parameter. Default value is false, but when set to true, it clears the queue and the current animation jumps to its end value. So it causes currently running animation to immediately complete. We are using stop method to stop the animation. So it is recommended that to watch video of jQuery animate method. We are using same example which we have seen in jQuery animate method. This was the example which we have seen in jQuery animate method. Now here for stop method of jQuery we are taking button id of button is equal to btn stop and text on button is stop. Dollar hash btn stop dot click function and in curly braces dollar selector hash mgcar dot stop. To get clear idea of stop method, we are taking 8 seconds in first animation. So here, comma 8000 milliseconds or 8 seconds. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 animations in queue. Here we can see only stop method. We have not passed true value. So here value of stop all parameter is false. So only the current animation will be stopped and rest of the animations in the queue will run afterwards. Click on start test drive, stop, then here first animation was stopped, then second animation was started, and now second animation is completed, and here callback function is executed. So we can see alert message, check reverse of car, third is completed, fourth started. Now fourth animation is stopped and fifth animation of width hide is completed and callback function is executed. So we can see the message test drive is okay. Now in fifth animation or in last animation, here also we are giving speed 5000 milliseconds or 5 seconds. Now again start test drive. First animation is stopped, second animation is also stopped, so we cannot able to see alert message, check reverse, and fifth animation, and here fifth animation is stopped. So here callback function is not executed and we cannot able to see alert message test drive is okay, and there is no next animation. So here we cannot see another animation or next animation. When current animation was first animation, at that time after clicking stop button, first animation was stopped and second animation was started. When current animation was second animation, at that time after clicking stop button, second animation was stopped and third animation was started. And if we didn't click stop button again, then all the animations in the queue were completed. When current animation was fourth animation, at that time after clicking stop button, fourth animation was stopped and next remaining fifth animation was completed. First parameter is stop all and default value is false. If we give here value true, then current animation and all animations will be stopped. Start test drive, stop. Now first animation is current animation, and if we click on stop button, then we can see current animation is stopped and we cannot see next animations or further animations. So all animations are stopped. Now first animation is completed, second is started, stopped. Now second animation is current animation, and here current animation is not completed. So callback function is not executed and we cannot see alert message check reverse of car. If again first animation is completed, second animation is completed, then alert message check reverse of car, and third animation completed, fourth animation is started, stop, current animation is fourth animation, and here fourth animation is not completed, and here fifth animation is not started. So callback function is not executed, so we cannot see alert message test drive is okay. Second parameter is go to end and default value is false. If we give here value true, then current animation jumps to its end value, so it causes currently running animation to immediately complete. Start test drive, stop, current animation is first animation, and here after clicking stop button, current animation is stopped, but animation is jumped to its end value and then it is stopped and we cannot see further animations. Again, first animation is completed, second animation is started, stop. After clicking stop, we can see alert message because second animation is jumped to its end value. So callback function is executed and here we can see alert message. Animation is stopped, but we can see alert message. Fifth animation is started and stopped. Callback function is executed. So here we can see alert message test drive is okay. And image of car is also hide or disappeared. That's all for stop method in jQuery. In our channel, there are regular uploads of programming related videos. So for latest updates, please subscribe the channel and like and share videos. Thanks for watching.